Okay, so we've created products, we've created price books and prices, and we've created templates, but we haven't created a hierarchy yet. So to add a hierarchy, we just go in and we want to say it's going to be the US taxonomy. And you can create hierarchies that basically is a tree structure for kind of any levels that you want. And you can create small taxonomies. So say you want a footwear taxonomy that's just for footwear. And then you have another taxonomy that's say men's tops and men's outerwear. You can create different hierarchies, and then you can mix and match them when you're building a catalog and combine different hierarchies together. We're just going to have one. And so we're going to call it US taxonomy, and we're going to save, and then we go in, and then we're going to create a parent node. We're just going to call this shop. That's the top level. It's the root node. And then from there, we'll create a child. We'll call that appliances. And then under appliances, we'll create a child called electric ranges, right? We'll create that. And so once we're there, we can manually got to go in and say, I want to add SKUs, I want to add this electric range. And now if I hit save, now that product is in that taxonomy. When I build a catalog, I will then add the taxonomies that I want with the price books that I want, and the combination of those two things becomes a catalog. But that's all there is to creating a hierarchy.